Hi, this is Nitin from TechCaesar. Today I recorded this video to show you that how Pricebook works in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. So every product has a price so that it can be displayed on into the storefront, and then when customer add that item into the cart, so that price is being used to in the order object to pass to downstream system, and that is the price which is being charged to customer along with the tax and the shipping and stuff. um, Pricing is also being used in the promotion engine. So when you say that 10% off, then that is the price which is being used for 10% off. So that's why pricing is very important in Commerce Cloud. uh, and the price is being configured into the price table, which we say in the price book here. So if you go into the uh, merchant tool, product and catalog and price books area, you will see the bunch of price books which have been created uh, to support the storefront. Now, in this one, if you'll see it here we have a one price book USDM list prices, which is being assigned to RefArc storefront. So every storefront can have one or more price books. It all depends on how you're managing, right? So so you may have a one price book for electronic items and another price book for clothing. All right. So that's how it is. Or you may have one price book for normal season, and then another price book just for holiday point of view you are creating. Uh, so one storefront can have one or more price books, as well as one price book can be attached with one or more storefronts. So that's why MList prices is being attached with the RefArc and RefArc Global. So it means that when I will see any product in the RefArc or RefArc Global, uh, the products of RefArc or products of Global will show the prices from this. Right now, if multiple price books are being attached with the storefront, then the best price is being displayed on the PDP or on the search result, uh, which we'll discuss in few seconds. Now, if I will click on any of the any of the price book, so let's say it here. So here it is asking for ID, which need to be unique, and then it's activated. Once it's activated, it will be used onto the storefront, and then it has a currency, that what currency it is being used. So RefArc has a US dollar, so that's why based on this is a parent-child relationship. So let's say that you have a regular price book which is being used for whole year, but then for a given season you want to load the sale price, and in the sale price you do not want to load all of the prices, you just want to give this the discounted price for only handful of products. So what you will do, that you will have a parent price book which will have all the product prices, and then you will create a sale price book which will have only bunch of product prices, and then in the sale price book you will put the parent price book ID here. So if I will go back and let's say I open the sale price book. So if you'll see it here, that it is attached with it is dependent on list price book. So in the sale price book, I have said that it is based on list price book. So I do not need to put all the product prices into the sale price book. I will just put a handful product prices here. So when I will go to the storefront, by default, storefront will show the price which are defined in this price book. But if any product is not defined in this price book, then it will look up to the parent price book to show the price, and then will we use that price. So so it's a little different concept from attaching multiple price book to a same storefront versus parent child relationship. So in the parent child relationship, by default the child price will be used, and if price is not defined in the child book, then parent price book will be used. But if you are attaching two price book with the storefront, then the best price will be used if a product is common in both of the price book. So let's say that a product the product price is defined into both of the price book, and one price book has a $10 and another price book has a $9, then the $9 will be shown onto the storefront because that's the best price for the customer. Uh, Other than that, so again, it's a strategy which client will have to decide that what do they need to do. So, but SFCC has a full capabilities around it. In the site assignment, it will show you that which site is being associated, and then the price definition. Uh, it will give you the price information. So, for example, let's see this one. So here, this product ID, we are saying that if person is purchasing, customer is purchasing one or more quantity, then it will be 33.99 uh $99. Let's say what does it say? Okay, so it's giving the same information. uh so if I see it quickly on storefront, so here it's showing 33.99. So in the list price it was $49, but in the sale price it's 33.99. So that's why the 49 is being strike through, and then 33.99 is being used. The You can also define the bulk pricing like here. So bulk pricing is that if you're buying the one quantity, then it will be one or two quantity, then it will be 33.99 per quantity. But let's say if you're purchasing three or four quantity, then it will be $20 per quantity. And if you're buying five or more quantity, then it's a $15 per quantity. So if I will select, let's say five, or for example, I select six and clicking on add to cart, then I'm being charged for $90. So $15 per quantity. So that's how the bulk pricing works. Let's see how does it being defined in the storefront. Let's quickly find that particular product here. Okay, here. So here, so this is how we can define that one quantity and the three quantity with this and five quantity with this price. So, and if you're defining the tiered pricing or bulk pricing, then it will display it in the storefront, and SFCC will automatically work with that. We can also define the schedule. So for example, here it is continuous, that every time it's being displayed this. But we can also say that from this time to this time, this day to this, and this time to this time, uh, this amount, this will be the price. So at that time, uh, if we are defining the schedule, that schedule price will be used. Otherwise, the continuous price will be used. So you can decide that what can be worked, right? uh, One last piece, you can also schedule the price book, that this price book will be used from this time, from this duration to this duration, and after that duration it will be deactivated automatically. So so you can have a price point in the price table, and then you can schedule the price for a certain duration, or you can schedule a particular price of a product at a certain particular duration in SFCC. So and then you can also use the price book in the promotion, and I will show you it separately in the promotion section. uh, but this is how the basic pricing works in in Commerce Cloud. I hope you like this video for the basic concept of the price book. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.